If you apply 100 Newton at this moment, then you got acceleration. However, there is a build up there.
Huh?
Now, if you apply the force, okay, just answer one question. And then on the same amount block of mass, but one object you apply for okay, over 1 meter, what will be different? Okay, can I have here? This is not easy concept. If I have the object there, right? If I apply the force, because it's not accelerating, because there's a friction force, right? If I apply this as a constant force, if the friction force is also constant, the length force is what? It's 0. Of course, there's no difference. If you have the very, very movable trolley, you push the same force for over 1 meter or over 2 meters. Will the object in the two circumstances will be the same when you pass 1 meter or 2 meters?
Huh?
Definitely, the longer you pass what, the faster it accelerates.